How to buy GasBoy token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I am not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your research. And also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money, rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply it goes below. Fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check the amount in the description. So before going on by this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token. So this token, as you can see, it's available on the screener. This token created 9 hours ago and increased by 1000% in the last 24 hours. The liquidity here unlocked by 100%. That's mean your investment in the safe place. So this token is trending number 5 on Solana section on the screener. To be able to buy this token, it's easy and simple. Just copy the token address from here. As you can see, this token address is under the Solana network. Open your fund wallet for that. Now click on swap and make sure you have enough Solana in your wallet. Now click here and place the token address. So this is our token. Click on it. Now here type how much you want to buy. So as you can see, this is how much you receive that token. Now select the provider, for example Jupiter, and make sure to read all of that information here, and after that click on swap and you will be able to redirect it to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So if you face an issue, go back to this page and switch the slippage from here or custom it, because most of the issues came from the slippage, and after that you can be able to buy this token without an issue. So this is how to buy GasBoy token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.